Water is the very basis of life on Earth. With scarcity looming large, South Central Railway has taken to conservation of water as the perfect way to join the initiative of saving each drop for the generations to come. Water bodies and heritage open wells dating back to over a century have been revived. Desilting and cleaning of the old wells generate a substantial yield of water. Rejuvenation of old water ponds and construction of new is yet another step that serve the purpose. The zone took the innovative route to construct Pagdandi bunds to recharge groundwater table and plot barren railway land to improve percolation of rainwater. Acting responsibly, South Central Railway constructed rainwater harvesting pits and took steps to harvest rooftop water at railway stations and buildings. Modern water recycling plants have been set up at prominent railway stations to ensure not a drop goes waste. A comprehensive audit of water supply installations is undertaken at major railway stations to account for proper use of water and plug shortcomings. These measures have led to saving of water, reducing expenditure and above all, signifying the commitment of South Central Railway in the endeavour towards a better tomorrow. No wonder the zone is recognized as amongst the first when it comes to water conservation on Indian Railways.